So you are aware of what hackers do. They have malicious intent. It could be to impede or stop your services. It could be to steal or compromise data. It could be to damage your reputation.
Yeah.
In essence, a hacker tries to harm your network, your server, or negatively impact your business or reputation. What does a penetration tester do? He tries to follow the same techniques as a hacker, but with a view to protect the organization's network, servers, and services.
Right, yeah. But in either case, information gathering still is the first step. So footprinting is the first step in hacking. It is the process of collecting information about a target network and its environment. Now, you can find various ways to intrude into the target organization's network system with the help of the information gathered. It is a methodical approach. Now, using footprinting, you will be able to draw up a blueprint of the security profile of the target organization. There aren't any really fit-for-all steps to carry out methods or tools to obtain useful security profile information. Your target will be to know what the operating system is and what version it is. And when you know this, you will also know the vulnerabilities of this operating system. You now know what you can use to exploit those vulnerabilities. And once you know what services are running and what software packages are used, you can potentially learn about the known vulnerabilities.
Right. Footprinting is a very important step in gathering information about the security profile of a network or system. The more methodical you are, the more accurate the security profile will be when drawn up. So Jeff,
Yeah.
what information will be collated by hackers as a part of footprinting? A, hackers collate URLs and IP addresses of the websites.
Okay.
B, collate critical organization information.
Okay.
C, collate the personal life details of the CEO, CIO, CTO, etc.
Okay.
Or D, collate the network system profiles, operating system, and services running.
All right. Well, the other ones sound good. I don't think it's C. I'm going to say it's actually many answers. I'm going to say A, B, and D are correct.
Right.
Yeah?
As a part of footprinting or information gathering, one would collate the information needed to access a website, so the URL and IP addresses,
Yeah.
and they would also collate critical organization information so that they can look at employing social engineering attacks.
Right, yeah. They will collate the network, right? System profiles, type, and version of the operating system, and various software packages running on the environment itself. So when you know these, you can refer to the database of vulnerabilities to figure out if there are known vulnerabilities with the network and system. I did okay, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
When sensitive information about your environment is collated by an outsider, you should start to worry because there is a threat to your organization. We're going to highlight a few of these threats. When a hacker gains sensitive information about your environment, server, or software, you can anticipate some sort of trouble. Sensitive information could be misused, and it could be used to cause financial loss, loss of reputation, or impact your business negatively.
Yeah. So when the attacker knows the system and the network vulnerabilities, well, he's not going to keep quiet, is he? He will try to exploit the vulnerabilities and try to get into your system or network. And when your security has been breached, the attacker could potentially escalate the privileges and try to cause more damage than what an ordinary user could do, which could be extensive.
So the sensitive information could potentially be stolen and used for ulterior purposes.
Right.
Quite often, organizations tend not to be highly cautious about data. Information loss can be a great threat to an organization. The attackers can use the information to attack your network or system. And the data can be sold or provided to your competition. When the data you want to keep with you until you go to market in a few months gets into the hands of your competition, they can plan to compete with you or plan things that could potentially impact you negatively.
Absolutely, yeah. The attacker may employ techniques such as social engineering and system and network scans to get the footprint of your system and your entire network.
Sure.